I'm Mary Bond. I've been teaching and writing about bodywork, posture, and movement for over 30 years. I created this workshop to help you refine your body reading skills. In it, we watch videos of people walking and try to determine what it is that prevents their movement from being graceful. It's a perfect course for Pilates teachers, yoga teachers, dance instructors and fitness coaches, massage therapists, physical therapists, really anyone whose work is to help others feel better and move better in their bodies. And it will ramp up your awareness of your own posture and movement. Part 1 of the workshop looks at balance between front and back of the body's midline. Part 2 explores side-to-side balance, right and left. Part 3 explores rotation. Graceful and efficient gait, as well as good posture, depends on freedom of motion in all 3 of these planes. The workshop includes experiential exercises designed to increase participants' own body awareness. You'll sense patterns of movement in your own legs, hips, spine, and shoulders. And then you'll recognize those patterns in numerous subjects as you watch them on video. This unique approach to body reading teaches you to engage your whole body in observation, not just your eyes, and to notice details in the context of the whole person. The workshop is a great resource for anyone who works with bodies. It will change how you look at posture and enrich your work with your clients. Thanks.